Hello everyone and welcome to another release video from Altrady. In this video I'm going to show you the new features that we've recently added. First up is the replay function. The replay function allows you to go back in time and set the chart to a candle in the past. This will allow you to only see the candles as if you were trading at that specific time. So to start the replay session, all you have to do is click on the replay and select the candle. Now you can see that we have some extra controls at the bottom right here. So you can change it to random bar. You can go back to the beginning, you can hit play, you can skip forward. You can also change the speed. Then you have some buy and sell options to place some fictional trades at that specific time against the close price of the candle. And as you can see, because of this, the replay mode is active in the trade form and you can't place any real trades. So why is this useful? If you're trading in specific strategies, then you may want to go back in time and see what the chart looked like before actually taking the trade. So in this case, I can draw some lines for my technical analysis, and I can determine whether or not it's a good time to buy or sell. So if I decide that this is a good time to buy, I can click on the buy button. And as you can see, a trade has now been placed, and I get a break-even line that will show you if you're in profit or in loss. So now if we continue the candles, you can see that the position line is updated every time that there is a new candle on the chart. So now you can see that the take profit target was reached and we can hit the sell button. And then we can see how much profit we made on these two trades. And then if we continue, we can do the same thing again. And now we're actually at a loss, so we're going to sell. So this is a great way to test out your strategies in any way that you trade. Whether you're a support and resistance trader, a trendline trader, or you're using some technical indicators to determine your entries and exits, you can now do some backtesting and see how your strategy would have performed in the past. So this is a powerful way to really understand your trading strategy and to help you become more profitable by applying it correctly. And when you're done with the backtesting, you can just click on the exit replay. And now you can see that the chart is restored and you can see your real trades again. Another thing that we've changed is the alert section. So we've added new types of triggers. What these triggers will do is that if you select the ones, then your alert will trigger as soon as the price is reached. But what if you want to wait until the candle is actually closed above this price? Then you can select once on bar close. And as you can see now, the resolution becomes active, which allows you to change the resolution on which you want the candle to close. Now if I place this, then only if the bar closes on a 4-hour time frame will I receive the alert. The other option is once per bar. This will immediately trigger once the price is reached, but it will only do that once the price is crossed once per candle. So if the price goes up, you get an alert. And then if the price goes down again in the same candle, you won't get an alert. And if the price continues to move up, then you will receive the alert in the next candle. So this is a great way to see if the price is moving sideways if you're using horizontal alerts. Or if you're using a trendline alert, then you can see if the price continues to move around the trend line. So this is a great way to further enhance your price alerts based on the strategy that you're using. Now also note that this has replaced the recurring alerts. And if you want to do a recurring alert, then you could do the once per bar close or the once per bar, as these alerts will continue to repeat itself every time that there's a new candle on the chart. So that's it for now. I hope you like the new features, and please let us know in the comments about what you think, and also let us know what you want to see next. And then I wish you lots of profits.